This guy apparently earned around $21,710 in 7 days without any investment, using ChatGPT. Do you believe him? We have some doubts and show your 5 reasons why at a later stage of this video. But first, let's see how he did it and then reflect on it to evaluate if this is realistic or not. The first thing he does is creating an account with OpenAI to use ChatGPT. You can find the link in the video text below. The next step he does is obtaining a topic for his blog within his niche so that he can rank well on Google. When searching for keywords with minimal competition, h-supertools.com is the most effective free SEO tool available. If you want to try it, check the link below. He enters the keyword affiliate marketing and receives a list of keywords with their search volume, competition, and CPC. He picks one that has a high search volume, in this case, affiliate marketing Amazon. Now his plan is to create an article around it with the help of ChatGPT. For that, he goes back to ChatGPT and asks the tool to provide 10 topics about the niche. So far, this is quite clever, but how likely can he make $21,710 in 7 days? Stick around to find out. Once he got the topics, he asks ChatGPT to provide the blog outline of each title, and gets an outline for the particular title he selected. Next, he asked ChatGPT to provide a blog section for each element of his blog outlines and got a decent AI-generated blog article. After creating a blog with ChatGPT, it was necessary to convert it to a human-generated one to rank it on Google, and that is a smart move. He decided to rewrite the article with a human-like paraphraser tool, so he copied all the text into DupliChecker Article Rewriter. After that, he checks to see if the blog was human-generated or not. Therefore, he uses huggingface.co, which is a cool AI content detector tool. He pasted the content and found that it was around 94% real, meaning he could rank this article on Google. But is this enough to earn $21,710 in 7 days? Let's find out. He then created a writer account on medium.com, a social publishing platform that welcomes all users and features a wide range of stories, ideas, and perspectives. On Medium, he pastes the content as article and adds pictures he takes from Google. To monetize his content, he inserts affiliate links into the text. He then adds 5 relevant blog topics and published the article. He advises creating more articles related to the same niche and using SEO techniques to rank them. He also suggests creating an account with Quora to increase audience and publish the same article there. In summary, the $21,710 he made in 7 days are coming from the Medium Partner Program, and affiliate marketing as well. Do we believe this or not? If you are new to the game, this is fairly impossible. There are 5 reasons why. First, ChatGPT acts like a person, that means you need to learn how to effectively communicate with the tool. Often, we find ourselves repeating questions and reformulating content so that we get what we want. Before we go to the second point, please be so kind and follow Epic AI tools. Second, to rank in Google, you need more than a few days. Often it takes multiple weeks once the Google crawler has picked up on your content. Third, the content competition on Medium is high, meaning that as a newbie without legacy you will have a hard time to gain momentum. If you do not have a big account on social media, it is also hard to drive traffic to your content. Fourth, this sounds very easy, but essentially is a lot of work. You need to spend time doing all the tasks and learning how to use the different apps. It can easily become a full-time job. Fifth, some of the tools included are not permanently for free. Meaning if you want more articles, you will have to pay at some point. Likely this will not happen before you cash out the Medium partnership and affiliate returns. All in all, we have some serious doubts that this strategy is possible for anyone who is new to this in just 7 days. What do you think? Do you also have doubts about this success story? Thank you for watching. We really hope you found it interesting and maybe you will take the chance to use ChatGPT for your projects too.